we have more news.
I'll tell you later. Just see. Don't tell it. Don't say anything.
Yeah, so basically what happened was...
Don't say.
No.
Oh, okay, you're telling what happened. Sorry.
Yeah. Sunny, Sunny decided to fly away.
Don't make things too dramatic. Just say it. No?
Okay, so Sunny flew away.
A rat bit a hole in the net and Sunny flew away.
So Sunny is not being found as well, which is a huge issue. Because Sunny is the whole part of my lucrative view making business. We couldn't find Sunny anywhere. We hear Sunny somewhere around that general area, but we don't actually know where Sunny is.
We checked for like 3 whole days.
Yeah.
This guy didn't do anything. He just made jokes. Me and my friend were the actual ones. Which is true.
I mean, yeah, but the thing is that we couldn't find Sunny. So what we ended up doing was, like, this guy has been on a nationwide manhunt to try find Sunny.
Bird hunt.
Yeah, bird hunt. And then
hunting him.
Yeah, whatever, you're trying to catch the bird. But what happened was these guys ended up finding what was it again?
Later.
Oh, look at that! This is actually so cute. Hello. How are you doing? Yeah. Feeling, Luna? You lost Sunny. You feel angry? How do you feel? Lorikeet, let's go. So this dude is lost and we're gonna help him. Do they get along, Sunny and the Lorikeet?
They should. Sunny?
No, Luna and the Lorikeet. Come. Then we can remove Luna as well.
We never let them together anytime, but hopefully they will get along.
I think Luna also wants to be out.
No, Luna's a bit scared of him.
Come on.
Look how far it can reach. Look, it's trying to reach.
Good old Luna can't come out because of the new guy. So what do you know about Lorikeets, Yogi? So basically what you're saying is this dude doesn't fly well. He's a climby boy.
No, because his wings were clipped and they're still growing back.
Why are they clipped?
His wings are clipped.
Why?
Because people do that so they can't fly.
Why would someone want to do that?
Because they don't want him to fly away.
Do you think you should have done that for...
Never.
You're gonna keep your birds free?
Yeah. Look at the eye color. It's like red.
Wow.
Look in real life, not in the phone, Adi.
I mean, yeah, I am. Look at that eyes. He looks so expressive. No. If you tell the audience to get a lot of views, we're gonna get more views, and you're gonna be coming out, and we're gonna have a video. Do you agree?